She's playing virtual music. How do you like your piano? She likes your piano. Have you ever wanted to learn how to play the piano? Well, it just got very simple. Now, TheONE, it also includes a companion, which is an application. But I have discovered something far interesting and far much better to learn how to play the piano. So now I'm not just going to show you the traditional way of how to play the piano with the application and how to learn how simple it is, but I'm also going to show you a different way to actually introduce yourself to piano virtually.
Hey guys, today we have the TheONE Sing piano or keyboard, and it comes with this app, and the app actually teaches you how to play piano, which is really cool. So you can connect the piano from the app. It also has a USB connected in the back, so you can actually connect it through wire or even wireless. So we have the charger on it. It does have to be plugged in to be able to turn it on. And what's cool about this is that it teaches you piano. So here we have, see the light up, and it's telling me I need to press C. So then if I press C, then it shows me the other letter, D. And then you can make music, your own music, even teaches you how to do other music. And once you start actually doing piano, you can actually start doing songs with the keyboards itself. So on the app that it comes with, it also has a bunch of songs from different pop artists, along with Star Wars, movies, other plays, other songs that you can have, and these are just some of the music that they have. It also shows you the basics of the C, D letters of the actual piano itself, of course, and you can even play games with this app as well. It's connected to your piano, so you can actually play it, and it shows you the light. It's really cool for beginners, especially starters, people who have not played piano before. This is for you. You need to have it. Super easy to use, very simple, very easy, and it's really fun to have. One of the great things about it that you could use a VR connected to the actual keyboard. I'm also going to show you a couple more features that are really great to use your VR, your MIDI piano, and have some fun. So not only are you learning, but it's you're going to interact with the actual virtual world. So let's go and test it out, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. All right, so I'm going to show you, I have the piano right in front of me, but I just want to show you how interactive. You have your full key set of keys you have to set up, and we are going to do
Now let's bring your other hand into play.
tutorial.
Play the blue notes with your right hand. You've used both hands. Awesome. Let's move to the next exercise.
So I'm using a VR on it, 5 fingers.
Now let's put those finger numbers into practice.
So G, C,